He's catching snowflakes on his tongue.
Everybody's loving the snow this morning, heading out, checking it out. But you want to do so safely. Best to just stay off the roads because you can see this here. This is a live look at I-40 and Coors where the roads are just snow-packed and icy. And Kayla, the Sunport picked up more than 8 inches of snow in just the past 2 days. Incredible.
We haven't seen that kind of snow since when?
For years here in Albuquerque. So it is a big time snow event here in the metro. The snow is letting up some, but we are watching another band to our west that will be moving into the metro here over the next few hours that we're continuing to watch. This is Paseo and Coors. You can see snow-packed, icy roads. If you don't have to be out, it's just best to stay inside at this point. And here's a look at I-25 at La Bajada Hill going up to Santa Fe. It's a dicey go as well. So it's best to just stay inside no matter where you are in central and northern New Mexico as we continue with these bands of snow. They were intense during the overnight hours while you were sleeping, and they did not let up until about an hour ago, but you can start to see in northwestern Bernalillo County another band filling in around Rio Rancho, also just to the west of the metro. So this will graze parts of Albuquerque here over the next hour or so, dumping more snow on what already has fallen. Many areas picking up 4 to 6 inches around Albuquerque, with the most at the Sunport 8 inches at least in the past 2 days. Santa Fe picking up some moderate to heavy snow also around our northern mountains into the Jemez Mountains, the San Juans of northern New Mexico, also over to the Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Great news for the skiers and all the ski resorts out there in northern New Mexico. And you can see we're going to continue to draw in moisture from the west-southwest as we head into the afternoon hours. So there may be a bit of a break and then another round of snow and even rain, because eventually our temperatures will be climbing above freezing here in the metro later on this afternoon. But still very cold. You're going to have to bundle up if you do have to go outside. Temperatures in the lower 20s here in Albuquerque, 10 degrees in Las Vegas, 9 degrees in Ruidoso, 17 in Santa Fe. It is very cold out there, so don't forget about the pets as well this morning. So here's a look at Superstorm Track beginning at 7 o'clock this morning. We'll have a chance for some more snow in the East Mountains, also in the metro, stretching up to Santa Fe. Then later on today, most of the snow should shift farther to the north around our northern mountains into southern Colorado. But again, we're going to be drawing in that moisture into the western half of the state. So we could see a rain-snow mix later on today when our temperatures climb above freezing here in Albuquerque and also in parts of southwestern New Mexico. And then as we head into Sunday morning, another round of heavy mountain snow possible for our northern mountains, also around the Four Corners down to Gallup and Grant. So it could be a tough go along Interstate 40 to the west first thing on your Sunday. And that chance for snow will continue off and on throughout the evening hours on your Sunday into Monday for the northern mountains into southern Colorado. We'll have a slight break on Monday afternoon here in central New Mexico. Then another round of rain and snow likely on into Tuesday and Wednesday. So here's the forecast for the snowfall. Where you're seeing the pink, that's where we could have 18 plus inches of snow. Purples a foot or more in the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, also the Jemez Mountains. And then take a look at southern Colorado. They could get 2 to 4 feet of snow in the San Juans there. Durango, you'll see about 3 to 5 inches this morning into the afternoon hours with temperatures into the 30s. And it's going to stay cold out there with the chance for snow off and on throughout the weekend and also into the beginning of next week. Over to the Four Corners, some areas of freezing fog and snow. An additional 1 to 3 inches possible this morning into the afternoon. High temperatures climbing into the 40s for tomorrow. So eventually we will see things change from snow over to rain. Over to the southwest, a chance for some spotty action, especially around the Gila. Temperatures here into the 50s and the 60s. Over to the southeast, some freezing fog out there right now. Temperatures into the 30s and the 40s for this afternoon. Most of the action as far as the snow goes will be farther to your north today. And then over to the northeast, we're seeing some of that snow fill in around Las Vegas. So you could see about 2 to 4 inches later on this morning into the afternoon hours, and then another round of snow possible for tomorrow into Monday. Over to the northern mountains, windy, fog, and snow out there right now. Temperatures into the 20s and the 30s, 7 to 9 inches possible this afternoon, with higher amounts at resort level. Over to the East Mountains, an additional 2 to 5 inches this morning into the afternoon hours. Another round of rain and snow likely as we head into the beginning of the week. And over to the metro, many areas picking up around 6 inches of snow this morning during the overnight hours. Last night about 4 to 6 inches, and we could see an additional 2 to 4 inches. Light snow falling out there right now. Another band getting ready to move in. Temperatures climbing to the 50s for tomorrow. So anything that we do see fall from the sky tomorrow will be in the form of rain. Temperatures come back down on Wednesday, so it could be another snowy go by the middle of the week. Things quiet down eventually by Thursday and Friday. So we're going here with a week and a half of very active weather around the state.
All right, thanks, Chris. Well, we have what's